Good morning, it's Abby McIntyre here with the Peggy Hill team. I am out in Victoria Harbour today at our new listing coming on the market today at 571 O'Leary Lane, which is in the heart of Victoria Harbour and right on the water. And I just wanted to show you the views here across the street from the home. So you can see Georgian Bay here directly across the street from our new listing at 571 O'Leary Lane in Victoria Harbour. And I just wanted to give you a quick tour of this beautiful raised bungalow and tell you a little bit more about it. So let's head on inside. I'm just going to walk up the driveway here. We've got enough parking for 4 vehicles on the driveway and 2 in the garage. And as you walk up towards the house, you can see it's vinyl siding here with some wood accents and some stone, which is a nice added touch. Now let's head in the front entrance here to the foyer area. Off to the right is our entrance to the garage, which I will open up here so you can take a quick look inside. So we've got a garage door opener here, which is included, and enough for 2 parking spots and some storage. And we've got 2 little kitties here. Whoops, just a second. Now we've got some nice hardwood floor going up the stairs to the main level. It's 3 bedrooms up, 1 down, 3 bathrooms, and this great living space here with vaulted ceilings, open concept, California shutters, nice and bright. So as you walk towards the kitchen and entertaining area, we've got a nice island here, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, very neutral colors throughout the home. Walk to the back deck here. The yard in the summer is beautifully landscaped. There's an above ground pool, which is included, and a nice deck here to do some barbecuing. It's a very quiet area in Victoria Harbour, close to schools, grocery stores, everything that you need. This property again is 571 O'Leary Lane in Victoria Harbour. It's being listed today at 1.1 million. I'm going to walk back towards the first bedroom here. It also can be used as a loft area if you wanted to use it as an office, but they are particularly using it right now as a bedroom. Again, more California shutters. I'm just going to show you the views here of Georgian Bay. Beautiful. Closet there. So this can be used as a bedroom or sitting room, office, whatever you choose, but it is a lovely space off the living room. So you want to head back down here, back into the living room area, and I'll just head down the hall. It is laminate flooring throughout. This home was built 6 years ago, only 1 owner. Here is the first bathroom. It also has main floor laundry, which is very convenient. Nice modern finishes. We'll head into the first bedroom here, second bedroom I should say. So nice and spacious. And then the master bedroom has an ensuite and a lovely walk-in closet. Great for overflow of storage. And a 4-piece bathroom. Got quartz countertops, a nice glass shower. It's move-in ready. Again, 571 O'Leary Lane in Victoria Harbour, going live today and being listed at 1.1 million. There's pot lights here on the main floor. And now we'll head down to the lower level. The lower level has a separate entrance. There is an in-law suite down here, which is great for those that want to possibly rent it out or extended family. So we'll enter the lower level. We have a nice big rec room here, nice and bright. A walkout to the rear yard. And ample space for living, entertaining, whichever you would want to use this space for. There is a 3-piece bathroom here and another bedroom off to my left. As you can see, nice big windows down here, lots of natural light, so it's a perfect spot for an in-law and for someone that doesn't want to feel like they're in the basement. So like I said, a little kitchenette here, and an entrance from the garage, which is that solid door there, and then another entrance here from the exterior. All the appliances are included in this home. The closing date is very flexible. And as you can see, a very well-appointed, well-cared-for home. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Peggy Hill team. We'd be more than happy to answer those for you. Please book your showing, and good luck.